Hello, I'm Todd Badis, General Manager of Automated Wire Products. Today our video for the AWP way looks at coiling. This is our largest Simplex Rapid Dual-Point coiler. AWP has 6 complete coiling cells at a cost of about $400,000 each that cover our entire manufacturing range of 8,000 to 200,000 diameter wire. Their world-class technology allows for almost infinite adjustments to the coiling process in order to meet the challenging tolerances for hydraulic springs. All of our coilers have video free-link monitoring systems connected to versatile sorting chutes that allow us to sort up to any tolerance bands necessary. Of course, we can run large quantities, but the CNC technology of our coilers allows us to excel at shorter runs. To do what we do best, get in and get out quickly. The AWP way.